Hi everyone, welcome to Global Health. This is Health 280, and you are in the online section for this semester. I just wanted to give an introduction of the course and what to expect, as well as who I am. My name is Lauren Noble. I have been teaching at CWI since 2017 and have taught drug use and abuse, health and wellness, and global health. I'm really excited. There's a lot of the information that we will cover this semester that is so incredibly important and applicable to today. Everything that you will find as we begin each week will start in these announcements pages, and you can find them at any point as you're clicking through Blackboard by going to this announcements tab. You can find more information about me, as well as a link to email me directly in this faculty information. Our course syllabus will be in this section here. You can download that. It's also available to you to view here, as well as our course agenda and schedule. So this class moves very quickly. We start on the first week by going through chapters 1 and 2 and having an assignment. You will see everything that you have to do in this syllabus, in this course schedule area, what you'll be reading, and as well as what you'll be completing. All assignments are typically due the Sunday after the week starts at 11:59 p.m. You will have some assignments that will go beyond 1 week. You'll have a few that last 2 or 3 weeks, but they will always be due on a Sunday at 11:59. Each week you'll select the course module and you'll go through each week. Obviously, we'll start with week 1. You do have to complete this engagement verification survey. This is new. This is something that will really be impacting your financial aid eligibility. This is how they're going to be verifying attendance. So this is crucial that you complete this within the first, I would say, first couple days that the semester starts. And then week 1, you'll be able to select here, and you'll see every week will start with what you will be reading, what you'll need to complete, as well as the due dates and the learning objectives. So this is an asynchronous course, meaning you'll go through at your own pace. I will have a few weeks at a time that are available. Most of these assignments, many of these assignments are going to be discussion boards that you'll have to complete, and a part of that does require peer-to-peer interaction. And so even if you're working ahead, the expectation would be that you would still go through and complete the peer responses. Our signature project is a research project that you will be able to see here. So they're separated into 3 parts. We have part 1. You will be assigned one of these health issues or topics. I will be assigning those. So you'll go through, find your name. Part 2 is the research paper, and then you have a personal stance and reflection paper for part 3. So that is the main signature assignment for the semester. And then we will also have case studies that we go through. They will be linked whenever we go through a case study in the week. They will be linked into that module, but you can always find the case studies here in this PDF as well. Everything that you can find in this semester will typically be in these 4 areas. You have your grades, course evaluations when those open, and you can always connect with a tutor as well. I look forward to a really, really great semester. Please let me know if you have any questions. You can always find my email here. I will also say that I have office hours Tuesdays and Thursdays from 6 to 8. They are by appointment, and it is all virtual. So you will want to email me, and I will send you a link to access that. I hope everyone has a great first week as we get started, and I'll be giving a little bit more information as we go through each week. Thanks so much.